Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, in this pop-up, I need to select close and when I go back, location of my device is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and click on location section. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!